What is Excel function? Excel function is a predefined formula that performs a calculation. There are three parts are there in an Excel function. Equal sign is the first part of the function. Second part is the function name. That is which function that you are going to use. Third part is the arguments. Arguments have open and closing parentheses. So the structure of a function begins with an equal sign followed by the function name and arguments. If we want to calculate the total of these figures, double-click the cell and enter equal sign. Then we should mention which function that we were going to use. Here we want the total of these figures. So the function name is sum. If I want to get the average of these figures, then I give average function in the function name. Select the range of cells and press enter.